A very good day to everyone. We are so happy and proud to celebrate this day. We celebrate many important days in every year, but this year meant for the true celebration of these real warriors. Medicines cure diseases, but only doctors can cure patients. We couldn't see God's face, but it may possible through doctors. National Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1st in India. It was first established in 1991 in order to pay respect to the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was also a Chief Minister of West Bengal. This day was celebrated by sending a card to physician and placing flowers on the graves of doctors who have passed away. The difficult times amid COVID-19 have once again reminded us about the contribution and sacrifices made by doctors and healthcare staff around the globe daily. They are the real heroes and risk takers of this pandemic. Yes, they had family, a beautiful daughter or little buddy boy, wife, parents, but still they are ready to save people and nation. Here the conversation goes between a doctor and a patient. Once a doctor was on duty in a COVID-19 ward. The man of 46 years old was scared for his life and kept repeating on question. Doctor, will I survive? Doctor, will I survive? Doctor replied, he was going to do everything possible to save him. But that was the last words spoken between the two men. In another situation, a COVID patient cured and he wants to dance with the doctor while he returned back to his home. Doctor did that too. Yes, they did not only give medicines, they also did mental healing. And so, this becomes a noble profession. My dear doctors, we heartfully wish a happy Doctor's Day from our IPS family. Wishing you a happy Doctor's Day.